Okay. Good morning, everyone. Abdul, Avigyan, Aman, Chunchun, Deepak, Golu, Hani, Yoti, Kiranmay, Kunal, Maksud, Rahat, Nikhil, Pikesh, Pravat, Raghuvans, Rahul, Rajan, Shantanu, and Shubham. Very good morning to all of you. Today, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. After a long time, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about phonetics. This is a new thing to all of you, right? And in our today's class, we are going to discuss about different sounds. Okay, that is phonemes and graphemes. These are all new to you, and I'm going to explain what is the phoneme. Phoneme in phonology, a phoneme is a unit of sound that can distinguish one word from another in a particular language. Just remember that a phoneme is a sound. Okay, and in English language, there are 44 sounds, out of which 24 sounds are consonant sounds and 20 sounds are vowel sounds. Okay, and today we are going to discuss in detail about consonant sounds. Okay, uh, so generally we all know that in English alphabet there are 26 letters, right? Out of which 21 are consonant and 5 are vowels. But in English language, there are 44 sounds. Okay, so letters, what I want to say is that letters and sounds are different. Okay, so don't get confused. Today we are going to discuss about sounds. 44 sounds, out of which 24 are consonant sounds and 20 are vowel sounds. So letters and sounds are different. Here you can see all the consonant and vowel sounds. Okay, in this chart, this is from IPA, that is International Phonetic Alphabet. Okay, all the 44 sounds are there, you can see. Okay, uh, now let's discuss in detail. But before that, phoneme, I have told you what is a phoneme. Now, graphemes. What is a grapheme? Actually, the letters which together produce the sound is called a grapheme. That means, um, let me clarify. The first phoneme here, you can see here the serial number, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then IPA symbol, that is International Phonetic Alphabet. The symbol, the sounds, the symbol of all the sounds are written here, you can see, and then the graphemes, that means the letters which together produce the sound. And then you can see here the examples where the sound occurs, in the words where the sound actually occurs. Here you can see in the examples. And last, here you can see whether the sound is voiced or voiceless. How can you identify whether the sound is voiced or voiceless? You have to feel the vibration while uttering the sound. Suppose the first sound, that is b, while uttering the sound b, I can feel the vibration here. The vocal folds are vibrating, right? So the sound is a voiced one. In this way, you have to identify whether the sound is a voiceless sound or voiced sound. Okay, let's start with number one. Okay, number one sound. Here you can see IPA symbol and the sound pronounced like b. Okay, and the graphemes, here you can see B, B, B. And in the examples, I'm going to pronounce the words boy, baby, bubble. While uttering, the words, you can feel that our vocal folds are vibrating, like boy. The sound boy, the sound b occurs here. Boy, baby, bubble, right? And it's a voiced sound, I have told you. Next one is d, d. Here again, you can feel vibration, right? D. So it's a voiced sound. And the graphemes here, you can see D, DD, ED, like dog, die, lady, add. Okay. And the grapheme, what's the function of grapheme? I'm going to explain here. Um, Suppose in the word add, yes, in the word add, the letters D, D together produce the sound D. Okay. In the word, um, yes, in the word dog, the letter D is the letter D produce the sound D. Okay. So in this way, you can identify the sound also. Obviously, you have to pronounce the word, then only you can identify whether the sound occurs or not. Okay. Number three. Number three, the sound pronounced like. Please listen to me carefully. You have to listen the sound, how the sound actually pronounced. So number three, the sound pronounced like, and this while uttering the sound, there is no vibration. Vocal folds are not vibrating here while uttering the sound, like no vibration, but b vibration, d vibration, but no vibration, and that's why this sound is a voiceless sound. Okay, and the graphemes you can see f, ff, ph, gh, ft, and lf also. Now examples here you can see the sound like pronounced like fat, phone, enough, huff, often. So the sound is, and this sound is a voiceless sound. Number four, the sound is the sound is g, 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 like gun, egg, ghost, guest, prologue. So the sound is g. And here again we can feel the vibration. That's why it's a voiced sound. Okay. Graphemes you can see here G, double G, GH, GU, GUE. In the word prologue, the letters GUE together produce the sound G. Prologue, prologue. Okay. So here we are discussing about different sounds, phonemes and graphemes, and I want to tell you that the topic actually phonetic transcription is there in our syllabus, and you have to transcribe the words. Suppose in your exam there will be some words and you have to identify which sound is used in the word. Suppose the word bubble. Okay, so you have to identify which sound is used here. Okay, so in this way, suppose there are some sentences, and in sentence there will be few words, and you have to identify how many sounds are used in the sentences and which sounds. So you have to identify the sounds, and for that you should have clear idea about sounds, and that's why we are discussing about sounds. Okay, and this is a new topic to all of you, so you can tell me if you have any doubt. All of you, do you have any doubt? Avikya, Naman, Chunchun, Deepak, Golu, Hani, Kunal, Maksud, Rahat, Nikhil, Om, Pikesh, Piyush, Pravat, Raghubans, Rahul, Rajan, Ravi, Suvam, and Saurav. If you have any doubt, you can tell me. The topic phonetics is very interesting. Um, you will be able to learn so many new sounds, right? You will be able to pronounce correctly if you are familiar with all the sounds used in English language. So, okay, okay, okay. Then let's move on. Uh, Number four we have discussed. Number five. Number five. Okay. Number five. Here the sound pronounced like h. Okay. Please listen to me carefully. The sound is, and while uttering the sound, there is no vibration, right? And that's why the sound is voiceless. And examples here you can see hop, who, have, hot, high. So the sound is h. Okay, not h. It's and the graphemes here h w h. Now number six, IPA symbol you can see, and the sound pronounced like j. It's j. Okay, and like jam, wedge, giraffe, age, soldier, exaggerate. So the sound is ch. And here again we can feel the vibration, and that's why it's voiced. The graphemes you can see J, GE, DGE, DI, double G. In the word exaggerate, double the letters GG produce the sound ch. Exaggerate, exaggerate. Okay. Number seven is k. The sound is k. And here again we can't feel any vibration. That means there is no vibration. K. No vibration. Okay, six number. Six number, the sound is ch, ch, like jam, jam, wedge. So the sound is j, giraffe, h, soldier, ch. Okay, exaggerate. Number seven, I have told you k, kit, cat, folk, bouquet, queen, rack, box. So you can see here only one letter doesn't produce the sound. There are so many letters. Here some of the graphemes here you can see, but there are some others also. Suppose in the word box, the sound is k, but the letter X produce the sound k. So don't think that only the sound K can produce the sound k. No. K, C, CH, double C, LK, QU, CK and X can also produce the sound k. Okay. And again, I want to tell you that what will be your task in the exam is there will be some sentences, some words, and you have to identify which sound is used there in the word. And this is called phonetic transcription. And for that, you have to be acquainted with all the sounds. You have to be familiar with all the sounds. Okay. Number 8. Number 8 is the sound is l, l. Okay. And here again, you can feel vibration. That's why it's voiced sound. And the examples here you can see leave, well, love, loud, lot. So the sound is l. Okay. Leave, well, love, loud, lot. Okay. Number 9 is mm. Okay. Like examples, you can see man, summer, comb, column, palm. So the sound is mm. And number 10, uh, okay, voiced or voiceless, here you can see in the chart. Okay. And vibration and non-vibration, you can identify easily. Number 10 is that is neat, funny, no, mnemonic. So the sound is mm. The sound and both are voiced sound because we can feel vibration here. Number 11 is the sound is not paw. Okay, it's like pin, pin, dippy. So the sound is and the graphemes here you can see p, p, p. Number 12 is it's that is run, carrot, range, rhyme, run, carrot. Okay. And here again you can feel vibration, that's why it's voiced sound. Number 13 is sh, that is shit, less, circle, shin, psycho, listen. So the sound is s. And graphemes here you can see S, SS, C, SE, C, PS, ST, CE, and SE. And you can easily find out the use of the graphemes here in the examples like uh, in the word seen, the letters SC together produce the sound S, like seen. The sound is S. In the word psycho, the letters PS together produce the sound S, like psycho. Okay. It's a voiceless sound, no vibration. Okay. Number 14 is t, t, like tip, matter, ripped, Thomas. So the sound is t. Okay. Number 15 is it's like wine, 5. So the sound stiffen, off. So the sound is okay. Now number 16. Number 16, the sound is v, v, like wit, y, quick, choir. So the sound is v, like, and the graphemes are w, wh, u, o. Number 17, the sound is z, z, like z, buzz. scissors, craze. So the sound is z. And the graphemes here you can see is Z, double Z, S, SS, X, ZE, and ACE also. So here, don't get confused between one sound and another sound because maybe it looks similar. Suppose the sound here, he, sorry, HIS, so his, right? So maybe you get confused and you can say that the sound s here used like number 13, sound number 13 here you can say s, because here is the letter is also can produce the sound s, right, but here his, not his, here his, right, and that's why the sound z here used. So you have to identify, maybe it looks similar but you have to identify the difference, which sound is used here. Okay, and this is called phonetic transcription, so you have to identify the proper sound and you have to write down also the sound. Okay, okay, serial number 18. Number 18, the sound pronounced like not is actually, okay, let me pronounce again. Z, like treasure. Number 17, z, and number 18 is s, right, treasure. Division, azure. Okay, and the graphemes here used S, SI, and Z. Number 19, look at the symbol number 19. Uh, this sound pronounced like ch, ch, like ch, watch, child, switch, church. Okay, so the sound is ch, and while uttering the sound ch, there is no vibration ch, so it's a voiceless sound. Number 20, number 20, the sound pronounced like sh, like shout, push, shock, sh, sear, special. So the sound is sh, spatial, pension, shout, station. Okay. The graphemes here you can see SH, CE, S, CI, SI, CH, SCI, and TI. In the word machine, the letters CH together produce the sound sh, machine. In the word shout, the letters SH together produce the sound sh, so shout. Okay. Now 21. Look at the sound number 21, that is the sound the sound pronounced like thing, thank, thongs. So the sound is th, and here again there is no vibration, that's why it's a voiceless sound. Number 22, look at the sound number 22, the sound pronounced like th, th. 21, th, 22, and here examples, look at the examples. Leather, so the sound th, this, the sound th. Okay, maybe it looks similar, 21, 22, 17, 18, but you have to identify the difference and you have to choose the appropriate sound used in the words. 23, 23, 23. The sound pronounced like like ring, pink, tongue. The sound is mm. Okay, and the graphemes used here NGUE. It's a voiced sound. 24. The sound y. Look at the sound. Maybe it looks like j. No, it's actually the symbol here, like the letter J, right? But the sound actually pronounced like y. Y. So don't get confused between letters and sounds. These are totally different. There are 26 letters, but there are 44 sounds. And here we are discussing about 24 consonant sounds. So, number 24, the sound pronounced like y, like you, onion, yonder. Graphemes, here you can see Y, I, and J. And these are voiced sound, y, vibration. Okay. So these are consonant sounds. There are vowel sounds also, you can see. Okay. You can see here all the vowel sounds. Vowel sounds are divided into monophthongs and diphthongs. There are pure vowels, short vowels, and long vowels also. We will discuss in our next class about vowels. So today we have completed um, our discussion about consonant sounds. Now, if you have any doubt regarding any sound, you can tell me, I will repeat again. All of you, please utter the sound. Okay, try to pronounce the sound. Try to pronounce the sound. Try go through the examples. Then only you will be able to get a clear idea about sounds. At first, you have to pronounce. Now you can tell me if you have any doubt. Hmm. हाँ, yes, act the sound पढ़ना नहीं है तुमको प्रोनाउंस करना है like j. Yes, number 6, this sound that you have called D3, no, the sound is not called D3. Actually, this is a sound, and you have to pronounce like J. It's J, like jam, wedge, giraffe, edge. So the sound is J. So, okay, let me pronounce from the first. Here, don't read like B, D, F, G. No, these are not letters, these are sound, right? So you have to pronounce the sound. You can't read the sounds, you have to pronounce the sound, right? So pronounce like from the first B, D, G, J, L, L, N, P, r, s, d, v, z, sh, ch, sh, d. Sorry, not the actually. Th, yeah. So in this way, you have to pronounce. These are not letters, so don't read like bird. Sorry, B, D, F, and G. No, it's B, D, G. So in this way, you have to pronounce. Now, any confusion? Okay. So no confusion, right? Now, who wants to pronounce the sound? All the sounds, all the consonant sounds. Who wants to pronounce? Aman is there, Raghuvans is there, Hani is there, Kunal, Chunchun, Deepak, Galu, uh, Rahat, Pikesh, Piyush, Pravat. Who wants to pronounce? Yoti is also there. Raghuvans, are you there? Okay, so Raghuvans is there. Raghuvans, try to pronounce from the first. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, but in our next class, we will discuss about vowel sounds, monophthongs and diphthongs, pure vowels, short vowels, and all this. But before that, I will give you a very simple task. Like I will give you some words, and you have to identify which sound is used in all the words. Okay, so just prepare. It's very simple, very interesting. Phonetics, it's a very new topic to all of you, right? Very interesting also. What you have to do is just go through all the symbols and all the examples and try to pronounce. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can tell me. Okay, then. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you.